Hello, I'm Ruthie Gray from ruthiegray.mom, and welcome to the Lite Magic. The reason I always sing that song? Well, you'll find out if you ever become a subscriber to Lite. Incidentally, I put the links in underneath my videos for my affiliate link for you to join Lite. And if you join Lite under my affiliate link, you get a $20 credit, and I get a $20 credit, and all God's children are happy because we got $20 credits! And you can do it too once you become a Lite subscriber. So let's get with this now. I am being very transparent with you. As you can see, my list, my regular list right here is under 4,000, which is a little bit of a blow to my ego, but it's okay because it grew by 430 people this month already. And so don't look at my open rates because they're really bad right now too, but that's because Monday was 2 days ago when this Monday Manna went out. And so anyway, prideful, we're just putting the pride behind us. So let's look at the, review the report. It takes honestly a whole week for my open rates to go up to 20%. I don't know really what the fair amount is that you're supposed to say to when you have, good open rates or whatever, but that's what happened. Unsubscribed here, spam complaints, hard bounce, soft bounce, and then the open rate and who clicked, okay? So, but what I really want to show you is view email. I love this because it's got a click map. You can tell where everyone clicked. Like this is my header. There is a URL from my blog, one of my blog posts behind it. So people are always clicking pictures and things like that. And then you come down here and it says, see, I have some links there. No one clicked those, but there are 10 clicked here and 15 clicked there. It's very interesting to analyze your emails because that way you can know what works and what does not work. This is another place that someone clicked. And something else I wanted to show you is every campaign that you send out has a URL. Like I can copy this and paste and look at it there. And there's my email. I can save it somewhere. But the other thing that's really cool is that I can save it as a PDF. And that is awesome because you could save your emails as PDFs for your people as a little welcome package. That's a great idea, actually. I can't believe I just thought of that. Anyway, just kidding. If you click link activity, then that just shows you, exactly who did it. And that way you can know, you can click on these and it'll show you who it was that clicked on them. And sometimes you want to move people to different groups or to a specialized list or whatever, depending on what they click. Subscriber activity, I cannot click on right now because that will show you my people's names. And I don't want to convey that. And the nice thing is in that area, you can see who opened and who didn't open. You can click those, you can resend whatever you want to do there, and then it opens like by location or there. So this is a little overview of what it looks like when you send a campaign. Ooh!